For over a decade, the smartphone has been the center of our digital lives. But here's the truth. By 2035, the smartphone as we know it may no longer exist. Instead, we'll use devices so advanced, so invisible, and so seamlessly connected to our bodies and minds that pulling a glass rectangle from your pocket will feel as outdated as using a flip phone today. So, what will replace it? Let's look at 5 radical technologies that could make the smartphone of 2035 completely unrecognizable. Number 1. Wearable displays that replace screens. Picture this. No more screens in your pocket. Instead, ultra-thin wearables. Built into glasses, contact lenses, or even your skin. Project displays directly into your field of view. Forget staring at a phone. With augmented reality lenses, you'll see messages floating in front of your eyes, navigation arrows on the streets, or even holograms of your friends sitting across the table. The phone of 2035 may not be a device you carry, but something you wear, always connected, always on. Number 2. Holographic communication. Video calls will look primitive compared to what's coming. Future communication gadgets will project lifelike holograms into your room, 3-dimensional, full-scale, and interactive. Imagine talking to your family across the world and seeing them appear right in front of you, as if they're standing there. For business, education, even entertainment, holographic calls will make flat screens feel obsolete. By 2035, the phrase, FaceTime me, might be replaced by beam in. Number 3. Brain-computer interfaces. Typing, tapping, swiping, all gone. The future phone could live inside your mind, connected through a brain-computer interface. By wearing a small neural implant or non-invasive headset, you'll be able to send a text, search the web, or even control devices just by thinking. It's not science fiction. Companies today are already testing neural tech that allows paralyzed patients to move cursors or type words using only thought. In 2035, this could become mainstream, making mental control the new touchscreen. Number 4. AI companions replacing apps. Think about how many apps you juggle daily: messaging, maps, banking, shopping. Now imagine replacing all of that with one personal AI companion, integrated into your wearable or neural link. It learns your habits, predicts your needs, and takes action for you. No more searching for an app. You simply say or think, book me a flight, and it's done. This is not a phone with apps. This is a digital partner that replaces the entire concept of an operating system. Number 5. Shape-shifting devices. In 2035, physical gadgets themselves may evolve. Think of a device made of programmable matter, flexible materials that change shape on demand. It could flatten into a tablet, fold into a wristband, or even dissolve into microdrones that project a display anywhere. No single fixed design, just a shape-shifting tool that becomes whatever you need, whenever you need it. The phone will no longer be a phone. It will be anything. The smartphone defined the 21st century, but the technologies of 2035 will redefine us. From wearable lenses and holographic calls to mind-controlled interfaces, AI companions, and shape-shifting matter. The future isn't about holding a device. It's about living in a world where the device disappears into our lives completely. So here's the question. When 2035 arrives, will we even call them phones anymore? Or will they be something far greater?